Does hair stuff like expire? Maybe it does, but anyway. What's up, guys? Oh my god, guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see, it's just me alone today, you know, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll do this. We'll survive. So basically, these guys told me that I should do a hair video to just show my hair routine, basically, which I should not be the person to do, because is that even English? Anyway, I shouldn't be the person because I'm not a hair guru. I am not really, like, I mean, I would say I'm kind of interested in hair, but like, it's not like I'm like, oh my god, like, I need to do my hair. Yeah, so I'll just get into the video and then we can probably talk more once I start off with. So yeah, the last time I combed my hair, washed my hair, maybe perhaps was Halloween. Yeah, y'all can shade me because I am ashamed. Personally, I am ashamed. It's atrocious. The last time I washed my hair was Halloween, the day before Halloween, so that's 29th of October, I think. Yeah, no. No, it's November, right? Oh, guys, no. I think the last time I washed my hair was 29th of November. Okay, let me be brutally honest. I think the last time I did wash my hair was around that time. It's the day before Halloween. I don't think I've washed my hair. If I did, maybe like once somewhere in November. Yeah, at some point school just got really hard and I just stopped really taking care of my hair. So basically, for my hair, I have a whole basket. I don't even think everything is in here, but I have this whole basket of like hair products. I'm pretty sure anyone else who is natural has a whole shop. So the first thing I'm going to be using today is Shea Moisture's intensive hydration hair mask. I'm gonna leave this in for about 30 minutes. Yeah, I think you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see, I have no idea, but I'll probably just leave everything down in the description box below. So I'll be using this for, I'll put it in my hair, wet my hair. Oh yeah, I think the first thing I should have showed you is a water bottle spray. What? Spray water bottle. Yeah, this. Yeah, you can fill it up with like, so I personally use like hot water because yeah, I don't want to start screaming. So yeah. The shampoo I'll be using is Love Beauty and Planet. Yeah, this is what I'm using. It's actually almost done, but it has lasted, I must say. Maybe because I don't wash my hair that often, but it's lasted. I bought this like last, okay, no, not last year, maybe like the beginning of this year. I'll be using this, and if this doesn't like fit in my hair, if that's the word, I'll definitely be using some, I won't even bother pronouncing this. I think it's Suave, I don't know, Suave, I don't know, but that's what I'll be using. I really like the smell of this, or I liked the smell of this. So yeah, I'll be using this if this runs out and it's not enough for my hair. So I hear the shampoo dries up your hair, so I'll be going in with the 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner afterwards. And Nyasha, my friend Nyasha, put me on this and I think it's really good. You should get it for yourselves, guys. I don't think it's a disappointment, but yeah, you can use that and I'll leave it in the description down below. Now this is where I actually am still learning what I'm going to do. So I guess I'll wait for my hair to dry up a bit, or maybe while it's damp. I usually go in with this. It's just something I started using. I honestly don't really recommend it, but any other olive oil besides this is what I'll probably go in. It's a moisturizer. Personally, I just think it's very oily, or it's either I just put too much, but I'll be going in with this afterwards. This is the Jamaican oil that I'll be using. It's Jamaican black castor oil for skin and hair treatment, extra dark. It rejuvenates and replenishes, which is what my hair needs because it's the ghetto up here. But yeah, this is what I'll be using. But yeah, let's get started, you guys. Something else that you'll need is a shower cap for after you put in the the haircut, the deep conditioner, you need the hair cap, or if you're not, you can use a plastic. It's okay, ShopRite plastic, the Lorama plastic, whatever works for you. Just need something to hold it up. And I suggest, so normal people or people that actually do the hair off it, or people just that care, they have hair clips to help section up their hair. I go to the Lorama almost every other week or so, and I look at the clips and I'm like, let's buy them another day, but I'll buy beef jerky, imagine. But yeah, get yourself some clips. But what you want to do is section it into two. Since I have only the two hair ties, that's what I would do. Honestly, it's like I just need one, but I'll start with this side. And mind you, please, once again, do not judge me because I don't do my hair this often. Okay guys, so far right now what I've done is I've sectioned this part of my hair, and I did sprinkle some water, but I'll just show you guys this part again. So I just get a spray bottle, spray. Don't be shy, just spray down. Your hair's gonna get wet anyway, so remember we're using the Shea Moisture conditioner, deep conditioner. Yeah, Masque actually. But you just get some of that and then just like rake it through your hair. Obviously those people who are hair gurus know what to do, but this works for my hair, so that's what we're doing right now. Just adding some, and honestly I'll probably make a bigger section on a normal day, but just because I haven't really been giving my hair that love and care, I'm just gonna have to do smaller sections, but you can probably do big. Yeah, so what I've noticed is with my hair, it looks like it's going through heat damage because the last thing I did to it was straighten it. We pray that's not what has happened, but you know, we'll try to revive it as much as we can. But yeah, what I've noticed is the back of my hair is actually it's a different texture from the rest of my hair up the side. It's very I guess like 4A maybe. I don't know much about hair, but yeah, it's very different compared to doing a length check, you know. Don't forget to put deep conditioner at the ends of your hair. Those are the grandmas and the grandpas of the hair, so they need that extra love. So now that I'm done putting in the deep conditioner, I'm just gonna set a timer for 30 minutes, and yeah, we are good to go. Whoa. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, my afro is out, and you know that we can attest to shrinkage being real, honey. Shrinkage is very real. All of you guys are thinking like, girl, you have not detangled your hair at any point. This is the time. This is it. This is when we're gonna detangle this mess. Yeah, I mean, most people detangle when it's dry. Personally, I don't like to detangle my hair when it's dry. Or I mean, I could also do it when I put in the conditioner, but that was gonna take so long. So yeah, this one I'm gonna try to detangle just before I put it into braids. And yeah, let's get into this. Yeah, the first part is I'm just gonna try. Y'all, shrinkage is actually crazy. So this is about the size that we're gonna work with. I probably look so bad right now, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm debating on whether I want to go in with the Shea Shea butter for natural hair Coil Calm Detangler. 19018. I don't know if that's an expiry date. Anyway, I'm just gonna use it. So I think I'm just gonna go with this just because I like how my hair comes out after I unravel it. Yeah, but again, so oily. So yeah, let's start off with this section here. So before I realized I wasn't really showing you guys how much I was putting. This is how much I'm gonna put. Don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm gonna put that much and then just like smooth it in. Take a white tooth comb. This comb is actually like, I think it's one of my friends' comb, so I don't even know where they got it from. I think just start with the ends, right? Just makes things so much easier, but a longer process. So if you want to go through the pain, short pain, then go ahead, sis. But personally, I don't like to end up with a headache. So yeah, and that's it. Detangled. I'm gonna take some of my Jamaican oil. Not too much because this stuff is dense, just like this much. I don't know if you guys can see, about to fall, but yeah, just take some and smooth it on as well. But yeah, so this is what we're doing throughout the rest of my head. And yeah, I'll probably get like bigger chunks of hair and then just like braid it all the way down, baby.
Three days later.
Hey guys, so this is now day 2 of me finally taking down the braids. So what I did was I just took down the braids and then I went in with the same moisturizer that I used earlier on when I was twisting out the hair. So I went in with that moisturizer and just sprayed a little bit more of water just to, you know, revive it a little bit. So yeah, that's what I did. And yeah, then I just used a shoelace to tie it up. And basically this is my attempt at trying to style my hair. It's not the best attempt, but you know, it's okay. I'll probably do better in my next hair video. So yeah, but if you've come all the way into this part of the video, if you watched this far, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can. You know, we'll be so grateful. We're on our road to 300 subscribers, so you know, help us get there, y'all. Help us get there.